Hi guys, I am Prashant Kumar here. Today I got one assignment. My topic is formulation of transportation problem. First we will go for introduction to transportation problem. The transportation problem is a fundamental concept in operations, research and logistics. It deals with the finding the optimal way to transport goods from set of sources supply point to set of destinations demand points while minimizing the total transportation cost. Characteristics of transportation problem: supply and demand. The problem involves a um, fixed supply of goods at each sources and fixed demand at each destination. Transportation cost: each transportation route from a source to a destination has specific cost per unit of goods transported. Linearity: the transportation cost is assumed to be linear, meaning the cost is proportional to quantity transported. Consistency: the problem is consistent on supply at each sources and the demand to each destination. Formulation of transportation problem. Decision variables: the decision variables represent the quantity of goods transported from each sources to each destination. Objective functions: the objective is to minimize the total transportation cost, which is the sum of the cost of all goods weighted by the quantities transported. Consistency: the consistent ensure that that the total quantity shipped from each sources does not exceed its supply and that total quantity received at each destination meets its demand. Objective function: the objective function is a mathematical expression that represents the total transportation cost. It is typically expressed as a linear combination of the decision variables where the coefficients are the unit transportation cost. Consistency: consistency are limitations or restrictions that must be satisfied in the transportation problem. There are two main types of consistency: supply consistency and demand consistency. Balanced versus unbalanced transportation problem. Balanced problem: in a balanced transportation problem, the total supply equal the total demand. This means that shell sources can meet the demand of all destinations. Unbalanced problem: an unbalanced transportation problem occurs when the total supply does not equal the total demand. This might involve excess supply or influenced supply to meet the demand. Balancing techniques: to solve an unbalanced problem, techniques like adding dummy sources or destination are used to create an equivalent balanced problem. Feasible solution: a feasible solution to transportation problem is solution that satisfies all the constraints of the problem. It represents a possible way to transport goods from sources to destinations meeting all supply and demand requirements. Optimal solution: the optimal solution to a transportation problem is feasible solution that minimizes the total transportation cost. It is the best possible way to transport goods while satisfying all constraints and achieving the two-way cost. Thank you.